أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحابه وتابعين لهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I seek refuge of Allah from Shaitan the accursed. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise and adoration belongs to Allah, the Lord of the world. May the peace and blessings of Allah be on the noble Prophet Muhammad, his household, his companions, and those who follow his right footprints till the day of the judgment. I greet you in the best mode of greeting by saying, may the peace and blessings of Allah be upon you all. I am Ustaz of Atai Muhammad Sadiq, and today we'll be looking at the next 4 letters. Inshallah, we'll be looking at the next 4 letters. And the letters are Dal, Zal, Ra, Zaj. We will lay more emphasis on the following: the name of the letter, description of each letter, image of the letter, pronunciation of each letter, place of articulation of each letter, symbols of each letter. So these symbols also the same thing as the image. Then we'll look at the forms. Please, as we move on, make sure you are in a state of preparation. Go and perform evaluation. Your notebook and your pen, let it be beside you for practice purpose. Be in a place where there is no noise, in a silent place, and make sure you take away whatever that can distract your attention. Have full concentration because you are in the journey of communicating with your Lord. May Allah make it easy for every one of us. Now, the name is Dal. By shortening it, if you want to pronounce it in full, it is Dalun. Dal. And again, these are the forms. We have Dal in isolation. We don't have Dal as at initial. We don't have it at the media. And we have Dal at the final stage. So it's very easy to know Dal. Can you see? It looks like a greater than sign in mathematics. That is how it looks like. And the closest English equivalent in pronunciation is D, letter D, as in deer, downs. And Dal is the number 8. When you list the Arabic alphabet in orderly, Dal is number 8. So, description of it is pronounced from the tip of tongue touches the gum behind the front upper central two teeth. Dal, Dal. You try it, you will get it right. For those of you that are saying, how do we get the pronunciation? So I'm giving you tips of how to get the pronunciation, and that's what I'm saying. Allah will make it easy for you. Let's go to the next letter. And the next letter is Zal. Take note of it very well. It is not Dal, it is Zal. Zal. It is thicker than Dal. It is thicker than Dal. And you want to get, okay, let's talk about the forms. This is Zal in isolation. We don't have Zal in Asia, we don't have it at media. And the reason behind this is that Dal and Zal and Alif, we have 6 of them. We'll talk about them later, inshallah. We are going to talk about them. They are not joinable, they are unjoinable letters. So you don't join letters to them. So when we get there, we'll talk about it. Just take note of the forms. And this is where we're going to be meeting in the Holy Quran. This is where we're going to be meeting in the Holy Quran. Practice the writing. Very, very important. Allah make it for you. And if you want to get the pronunciation, we have it as in that, then. And another example in Arabic language, name is dhikr, 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 and dhal is number 9. Description of it. This is pronounced from the tip of the tongue touches the bottom edge of the front upper central two teeth, similar to the English word then and day. So let's go to the next one, the next letter. And the next letter is Ra. Ra. This is Ra in isolation. We don't have Ra in the initial stage because Ra too is unjoinable letter. And we don't have Ra at the medial stage. We have it at the final stage. This is going to look like. So, and this is the image. Look at it very well again. This is Ra. Closest English equivalent in pronunciation. We have red, and it's R. It's Ri. Sorry. Ri. Ri. We have red. We have road. And Ra is number 10. Ra comes out when tip of tongue touches the upper hard palate at the front, similar to the English word raw. This letter is pronounced full mouth and occasion empty mouth. It depends. Say raw, ra. So both are accepted. Let's go to the next one. And the next one in this lesson is Zaj. Zaj. You know, the difference between Ra and Zai is that Ra has no dot, while Zai has a dot on it. Can you see it? Zai in isolation, and that's what you're seeing here. This is the image. We don't have Zai at the initial stage. We don't have Zai at the medial stage. And we have it at what? At the final stage. This is Zai. Some people call it Zain, but the right pronunciation is Zai. Zai. And if you want to pronounce it in full, you call it Zajon. But this is better. Call it Zai. And the transcript is zit, 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 z, z, z. The closest English equivalent in pronunciation is 0, and in orderly is number 11. If you list Arabic alphabet, and it's number 11. Let's go to description. Zai comes out when you bring your teeth together and release, similar to the English word zap and zoo. So, and that is it for Zai. Inshallah, we're going to stop here. May Almighty Allah make it easy for us and you. May Allah count this effort as an act of ibadah in this world for us and in the hereafter. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification to this video, and may Allah increase in all good things of life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Till we meet again, we're going to meet in peace and never in pieces.